Best shampoo for human hair extensions in 2026. What to use and what to avoid. Choosing the best shampoo for human hair extensions is rarely a decision people make from the beginning. Most readers searching for this topic are already using hair extensions and have started to notice a problem. The hair may still appear full and secure, but it feels drier, rougher, and more difficult to manage after each wash. This situation often occurs in people who have invested in high-quality human hair extensions, followed professional installation guidelines, and regularly used conditioner and hair oil. Despite that effort, the hair continues to decline. The frustration comes from not knowing where the mistake is, because nothing seems obviously wrong. In most cases, the issue does not come from the hair itself, it comes from shampoo. https://then-anhr.com/best-shampoo-for-human-hair-extensions-in-20 to 6/ Hashtag best shampoo for Shinshin hashtag hair extensions hashtag human hair extensions hashtag shampoo for hair extensions.